Hi, friends. So I want to do a product focus. This is the Autumn Expressions stamp set and the Autumn Expressions dies. So there's lots of fun shapes. There's a couple of different kinds of leaves and some other fun embellishments, including this piece right here. So I want to show you some stuff that I created with it. So right here on this gold chain right here, that was from this part of the die. And then we've got this wood piece, this leaf, and this fern that are 1, 2, 3 dies. And then the wood piece has a stamp that correlates with it. Lots and lots of fun. Same thing here, this leaf and this fern. And then this leaf that we stamped in pink, that is this die here with this stamp. And these are the cling stamps, not the photopolymer stamps. So it's a little bit different than what we're used to, but they still work great. Okay, and I think, yep, here I used that kind of grassy looking piece. Then on the cards, you'll see lots of goodness here. So here's that frame with that center part of that frame cut out in the green. And then there's that chain again, that same chain, that leaf and that leaf and that leaf are all from all the stamping, everything is all from this stamp and die set. So this little piece here is this piece over here. And then you've got all your leaves. And then all the sentiments too. So I'll just go through these quick because now I'm sure you can see there's the frame and then all the different leaves. Here I stamped that leaf down the side and it's there and there. So it gives you all that different build. And this paper that I'm showing you right now is the Thoughtful Journey paper. Absolutely gorgeous. It's sold out a couple of times, but they always bring it back. So make sure that if you love this paper, and yes, it comes that beautiful. All I did was tear it and stamp the word on there. Here, that's all the paper. It comes like that, and I added this strip. So gorgeous, gorgeous. Check it out. Couple more. I'll just go real quick now so you can see how fun this stamp set is. Again, this is the Autumn Expressions cling stamp and dies. Thanks for watching.